Hello beautiful people, Arif Oria here from Oria Driving Academy, and I will be showing you how to make a left turn in a residential area, and we can do this together. Let's do it. All right folks, so now we're going to be making left turn in a residential area. Same thing like the right side. We have three left turns in a residential area when you're making a left turn on a street here. So one is a left turn without a stop sign, left turn with a one-way stop sign, and a left turn with an all-way stop sign. And how we're doing it, let's do it together. All right, so now we're going to do a left turn at a one-way stop sign, and how we do a left turn at a one-way stop sign in a residential area. So about 3 houses or 5 seconds before we check our rear view mirror, we signal to the left, we check our blind spot to the left, and then we are looking ahead. All focus should be on the intersection, making sure that it's cleared, and keep yourself closer to the yellow line on the left side if there is a yellow line. And then when you're stopping, please make sure that you're stopping completely. For every stop sign, you have to come to a complete stop. And when you're stopping, make sure that your hood is aligned with the last white line if there's a white line. If there is no white line, we stop aligned with the grass on this side of the pedestrian walkway. Even if there's no pedestrian walkway, we stop, our hood should be aligned with the grass. You come to a complete stop here, look left, right, make sure there's no pedestrian, any cyclists, scooters or anything. When it's clear from that, then you creep up a little bit, nice and slowly. Do not accelerate hard here, nice and slowly come out where you're going to have a good visibility. Make sure there are no cars from right and left. When we were making a right turn, we were only checking for the cars from the left side. But when you're making a left turn, you have to watch for any oncoming traffic, because those cars have the right of way. We don't, we have a stop sign. So that's why it's called one-way stop sign. It's only for us. Now I'm gonna look right and left both sides when there are no cars. Then you go straight on your lane halfway in. When your side mirror is in the middle of the road, that's when you start turning your car towards left. So that way you're entering your own lane and you're not entering the wrong lane on the other side. This is very important for your road test as well. And that's how you make a left turn at a one-way stop sign. All right, so now we will be making a left turn on an always stop sign. So the same thing, about even if we are making a left turn about 3 houses or 5 seconds before. So we have to check our rear view mirror, you signal to the left, you check your blind spot to the left, and then your whole focus should be on the intersection. Please make sure that you're looking for which car is coming first. It's very important that you're looking whose turn it is, because at an always stop sign, we go by turns. So first in, first out. Whoever stops first, that goes first. So keep yourself closer to the yellow line, and then you stop here. When the front line reaches your hood, that's when you stop. So you stop here. Once you stop, you check your rear view mirror, you check your left side, you check front, and you check right side as well. So you do your checks, and then you go straight here. So that's the difference between right and left turns. Here you go straight until your side mirror is aligned with the yellow line on the left side, or if there's no yellow line, when your side mirror is in the middle of the road, that's when you start turning your wheels. So that way you will be entering right into your lane so that you're not touching the yellow line. And this is how you go and continue, and that's pretty much it for the left turn on always stop sign. All right, now how to make a left turn in a residential area where there is no stop sign. So about 3 houses or 5 seconds before, you check your rear view mirror, you signal to the left, you check your blind spot to the left, and then focus on the intersection. Make sure that there's no pedestrian, no cars or anything. And when you're making a left turn where there's no stop sign, you will have to go straight all the way to the middle of the intersection. Keep going, but here what's important is you have to watch for oncoming traffic. Make sure there's no oncoming traffic. Check left side for any pedestrian, make sure there are no pedestrian, and once your left side mirror is aligned with the yellow line, that's when you are going to make the turn. And so that way you will be entering your own lane. You will not be touching the other side or the yellow line on the other side. And that's how you make a left turn in a residential area where there's no stop sign. And that's how you do it.